Wrong key. Sorry about that. How's it going? I have good news. I actually have a webcam. Hi. Not that I'll turn it on too much just yet. But actually, for now, I'll leave it on. That's fine. I can actually look at you and talk now, and I can actually look as puzzled as I sound. You like the monitor in the background too? It's like where I would normally like. So the laptop I was using, I had it plugged in there. I was doing all my work there, but now I have this nice tower here, and it does more stuff. Okay, what are we going to do? That's the question. I feel weird. No, I feel like I have to perform. Okay, I do want to do this. So just a quick, simple. When the actually, yeah, when the player jumps, I want the camera to like pan out a little bit, just a little. Okay, I gotta work on that bad habit of speaking so fast too. Muddy! Well, tell her I said hi too, I guess. How's it going? It's been a while. Oh, that's weird, I can see it on YouTube. Huh, neat. Let me actually make sure I can see everything. Oh! Well, hi, Mary! How's it going? Hopefully I can make this streaming a consistent habit now. Because I got all this fancy stuff. I spent like $1,000 on this crap. But I'm off all week too. So I actually have time. I don't know how it will look next week or after the weekend though. But hey. Also the mic should sound infinitely better now. I got a better mic. I was like, whatever, I'm gonna like do all this. I'm just gonna get it done. Okay, the camera is what I want to deal with now. I don't know. ASMR is it's just weird. I can't do that. That feels so stupid. I can't do it. Also, bye! Camera dip. I think. Did I get rid of it? Yeah, camera's gone. I'll turn the camera back on shortly. It's just, I don't know. I haven't been on camera in a long time. I have issues being on camera apparently. Okay, so let's do the thing where the camera, where the camera jumps out a little bit. What this game is, I don't really entirely know just yet. Except that it's dumb. And he gets really fast when he grabs his power up. And also, if you've ever listened to One Piece, when there's like a lot of guys running at once, that's what this sounds like. Ew, nice face. If I leave it on... See, here's the thing. Here's the thing. The webcam you're looking at right now is not the same one as in the past. Because this nice face. No, actually, I think the power surged it. I had it plugged into like this laptop dock thing, and then just suddenly it didn't work. But neither does the dock either, so I guess I think I had too much going into it. So what I want to happen is when you jump, the camera comes out a little bit. So let's think about how to do that. How have you guys been? I haven't seen you in the past couple of days. I was wondering if you guys still came on Twitch. Okay. We have oh, actually this doesn't work right now, does it? It might be something I need to fix. Yeah, no, the camera. Oh, it does. Not where I want it to stop. Does it? Good to know you're fine. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys. Oh, no. I don't have like any fancy scenes or anything set up because like my computer, I basically... Oh, can I make it? No. I basically like reformatted a lot of stuff on my computer, removed a lot of bloatware, and cleaned up a lot of the memory issues on it. So I don't have all the same stuff anymore. I've been learning a lot of things and how to do... Oh, it does stuff. Oh, why can't it jump so high? What? Okay, what was that glitch? Ah. Ah. That's a bug. That's a bug I had never actually noticed I had. I guess I'll have to fix that. That's not supposed to be allowed to be able to do that. Anyways, as I was saying, I've been learning a lot of things lately, so I removed a lot of bloatware off of my computer, and it made it so I lost a lot of stuff. I mean, not that I lost it, not like I cared about all that stuff, I just needed to clean this thing up. Got like a new SSD in it and everything. Well, it could be. It could be a feature. I could leave a wall jump mechanic, which I've considered. Anyways, getting distracted. So we got this stuff centered. Now how am I... I'll need all of this zombie code. Here's the question. The past couple of streams, this hasn't been working like it's supposed to. Determine. It's supposed to be telling me I have problems. And I got it to work last time. Hold on, let's actually close this out. I got it to work last time, and it was actually telling me I had problems. But now it's gonna do this again. Maybe it's just slow. Maybe it's just like me and just slow. Okay. So no access to GitHub Copilot. Yeah, that's fine because I don't have it. I'll never really understand all the Twitch emotes. Which I don't think I ever actually drew that third emote. I still have the, what's her face? Jill and Donkey Kong. I don't think I ever did the third. Oh, and I also bought this Wacom tablet. I have a lot of debt now. Yeah, this should be giving me a problem. It should be something like no namespace or something found. Vector 3. Okay, why is that not... what was my right bound again? Okay, it's float. I do have the offset, so dot. So why is this not working now? Just undo all of this so I can get that out of the way. And commit it before I ever have a chance to mess myself up. Because last time I deleted a whole folder and I needed it. So get every time. Hold on, let me actually move this off camera. 1 second, I got to fix it. I don't want all of my stuff being shown everywhere. Get config. Well, I guess I could spell it right. Wait. You don't say. Oh, wait, that's probably why. That's probably the whole issue right now. Votes galore. The whole issue is probably that CD dev. Actually, no. What's the? What is the path? There, we're back on track. I have no idea what those remotes even are. I haven't been on Twitch in a while. I'm sure I misspelled something somewhere in here. Alright, now let's actually get this to do something. But the question is, can I do anything useful in here? So we have the actual camera follower. It's a weird namespace though. But that's to say, if we're at this, follow this. Oh, I'm gonna have to refactor all of this, aren't I? So, almost market centered. It updates it. Well, I should have planned this out a little better because this is going to be a nightmare. Okay, we're checking if we're at the sidebound, we only want to follow it vertically. And if we're at the lower bound, we only want to follow it horizontally. So inside of these, we actually need... Inside of all of these, we actually need something to tell us whether or not we want to zoom in. So the question becomes... What am I looking for here on camera? We could use Cinemachine like a smart person and make this easy on ourselves, but why would we want to make it easy when we can learn something, right? So the camera.size? Yeah, size. So camera size. 5F for now. Do I want to lock that in? Is it even that I'm looking for? Is there some other way I could do this? Yeah, that shouldn't matter in 2D. So it's gotta be the size. Oh, I can see it all! This game, like, the thing I've learned about game development is that it's, like, so dirty because you're never actually showing what's really happening. In this case, the whole background's just following me. But I'm going to make it so it's a parallax, so like the trees, if you can see my fingers, but the trees that are like the dark green are gonna move at a different speed than the rest of them at some point. And look, I like that. So, side down. Okay, so let's think it through. Let's actually just do the, let's leave these two alone for now. These two here, so. collapse them for now, so I don't have to look at them. And then for this one, let's just take another parameter. And we'll default it to 0. And you'll see me drinking straight out of a pitcher because I don't feel like getting a clip. And it's mine, so anyone that has a problem can kick rocks, because it's mine. Get back at you, buddy. Now the question becomes, let's experiment. We'll make a serialized wheel for now. Oh, that's working. It wasn't working last time. Make a problem! Does this work? Whatever. No, that did not work. Isn't it like super late for you guys actually? I kind of forgot you guys were on a completely different time zone than me. Not that bad. So what's up with this? It's probably not as late for you, is it, Muddy? Definitely not 3 a.m. Yeah, it's closer to 3:20, so you're good. It's almost time to wake up anyways. So while we're here... The thing is, we're gonna have to lerp this too somehow. No painkillers. I'm actually not taking any kind of medicine at all in a long time, other than like sometimes I'm just probably because that was the closest thing. Just don't know what happened with that. So let's see. Camera. Nope. Okay, the question is, can I just straight edit this from the editor now? 21:19. That's not too bad. I mean, you got like maybe another hour or two before you can go to bed. You know, here where I live, there are a lot of people who can't actually read 24-hour time format. Like I always have to tell people, like, I mean, it's not hard. You just subtract 12 and you know what time it is in the 12-hour format. 21 minus 12, that's 9. Did I not serialize it? Oh, it doesn't contain a definition for that. Yeah, I call it military time, but I realize at the same time it's just a 24-hour time format. I mean, I like it better personally. But it makes sense, though, if you think about it just purely in terms of numbers. Also, why do we even have... I mean, I guess because the 60 interval for the hour, but it still seems weird that we have 24 hours in a day. Will there be any document? Where's our graphic size? Muddy's always drunk. I guess we could never trust him. I don't know, you both smell drunk to me. So can I actually... I don't like that it's not telling me what I can do with these. Got to be one of these extensions here somewhere. Drink it. No, it's every time that you're not straight, you have to take a shot. So, let's just see if this works. I doubt this is actually going to compile. But it's going to? Question mark? How will that work? Oh! Oh! Okay. Look, we're upside down. Good to know. I just changed the orthographic size then. Okay, cool. So then, I think it's vector 2.left. Only on Tuesdays? What about the rest of the week? Oh, it's Star Fox! What is it, Corneria? No, it's not Star Fox, that's Fire Emblem. Why does it sound so similar? Wow. So drinks on Thursdays, gay on Tuesdays. Cool. So does it have to be in a fixed update? Oh, the problem is going to be... Okay, so I think Smooth Damp would be better because this is not a physics-based thing. So let me just back this up here. Uh-oh. I went somewhere I shouldn't have gone. Sorry for changing the camera. I mean, taking the camera off a lot, but I'm like adjusting my body position. I don't want to look like a fat whale on camera. Even though I do look like a fat whale on camera. I don't want to be seen moving like one. I'm like sitting all crisscrossed in this chair. After a while will hurt my butt. Okay, Smooth Damp. It's public static vector 2. Takes in current, target, current velocity, move time. Just move to love. More to love. Oh, sorry. I need to go on like another fast and lose all this weight. My record was 5 days and then I gave up. But right now there's pizza in the fridge, so it makes it hard. So the current position we're at... Okay, well... let's try it. So we want to say, get rid of this. I'm so thirsty. Ah. Okay. Current position, so let's see. So it's a static. So it is static, so I could just say vector 2.smooth it. But it's not working. Which one of these is not working? I don't know, let's just install several of them and systematically get rid of them as we don't need them. Oh no! I knocked my tablet off. Hang on a second. I mean, I knocked it out, the power off to it, so. Oh, didn't hurt anything. Okay, cool. We should have an error now. This should be causing an error. Like this is straight up a sharp freaking error. Wait, is it not? Now nothing works? Why does this happen? This works perfectly fine on my laptop. You know, that guy you see back there, but here, it just doesn't. Like, every time I try to load the script, it just doesn't do, VS Code, it just doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Huh. I guess we're just going to have to assume we know how to program and not let VS Code do the work for us like I want to do. So let's try to update the size. So we know smooth damp. Smooth damp. This is the wrong window. This is the window I want. It actually has to be over here. It's getting vector 3. Something. No, it's not. It's not getting any of the Unity specific stuff. I need to look and see what I have on my other one. Am I actually logged in? Oh, it does right there, vector 2. Okay, so we'll just assume the documentation can tell me what I want to know. At this point, there's really no use in even using VS Code. So the current position we're at would be transform dot. Yeah, so transform dot transition, which that works for some reason. And the wait. Oh man, we gotta think about all the states here too, don't we? So instead of doing this, instead of doing it here, let's just create a whole new script for this. Just add it to the main camera. Instead of trying to like edit each function. I don't think we need to. We could just go here and just create a new C# script. And we'll just say handle. What's it look weird? Handle camera 5? Can always delete it. And let's do a bunch of things here all at once. So I'm gonna put that on the main camera, and then over here in the scripts, we need to clean all this up. Create a folder. No, I messed up. What did I put in here? Oh. Whatever. So, how's everyone's day been so far? I realize it's been a long day for you guys, probably. Yeah, probably. I think I want to get the reference to the player here. Actually, do I want to make it public? Yeah, I think I do. Okay, now this works again for some reason. Then all right. The question, I'm gonna run into a problem here, aren't I? Oh, I just goofed up. I know I just goofed up. Any eventful events today? I actually don't have to talk that loud anymore, do I? Let me talk it in full volume and cadence. Let me talk like I'm me and not like I'm trying to like yell at this microphone so people can hear me. I'm not using this little guy anymore, who doesn't record very well. Which it might not have been this guy in the first place, but it might have just been my audio settings. But this is better, so whatever. It's still a blue microphone, but it's a Yeti, not a snowball. Train of thought out the window once again. There's a compiler error. Oh, because I moved it. No! No! Okay. And then go up to here. Collapse all of this because it's only all these projects files. Scripts. Game nature. We want a reference to the player. Actually, no, we don't want it. We want it that. I don't know which extension I installed worked, but hey. Also, we have a lot of changes though. Oh, because I moved things. Just make sure this still works first. I think I might have to actually fix something. No, we might be good. We might be alright. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the stream actually stuttered once at all. Because, well, I dropped some frames. That's the first time that's happened. Dropped 345 frames for some reason. Probably when I killed the power to one of my monitors. But I got this new NVIDIA GPU. And it's so much better. Stream, I can run everything at a higher quality. So we want to get a reference to the player. Do I really care to do it the way I'm thinking about doing it though? Well, let's just get the player state first, so... That puts that back in there. And now we just simply want to return the health. Oh, not health, state. What did I call it actually? Hold up, before I get too far ahead of myself here. All the problems are back. Maybe it just takes a while to load. Git add git. There. By the way, I think if this works, I don't know if it will. There's the actual repo. Well, it's the Speedy Sloth one in there. If you guys want to see any of this. And why do we have an error here? Am I even using it, honestly? Really, clearly I am, but for what? What is it? There, power... Oh, when you collect it. So where did I write that code? Change stats. Don't think I'm actually even using it. Let me actually just comment it out and see what happens. Yeah, no, I don't think I was actually using it. Okay. Now that we have things refactored a little bit over here, and we need to return all of this, and I did call it move state, right? Yeah. It's so freaking thirsty, and I don't know why. And I also think I'm just making this more convoluted than it needs to be. I think that will... So I'm pretty sure everything I want to write is going to at least get a reference to that. To that, right? The game object. I mean, the game manager. So then if I have access to the game manager, that means I won't need to get direct access to the player anymore. And the camera, or actually no, I don't want that script. I don't want the script or the script. I'll leave that one for now because I might need it shortly. Yeah, but in the camera follow, let's make a namespace just to keep this organized here. I completely lost my train of thought again. Alright, so I think... just so I can see it. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. I guess it's just hit or miss. So, serialized field. Initial size, so we'll just claim its size for now. And then I guess we should define it as float first. And then there. Is it because I have this wrapped in a namespace? Is that what's throwing me off? What just dinged? Compiler error. Cool. And then now we just really need a reference to the game itself. I truly don't understand why this sometimes doesn't work. Is it because I need to go back to Unity first? And click back? Alright, we need to know what state the player is in. Let's just do it for jumping right now. Oh, I actually do need this. So jumping, how did I establish whether or not we're jumping? Oh well, we'll just know from here. If this actually. Jumping. Actually, no, hold on. That's not right. That should be right. So that should tell us whether or not we're jumping. And if we are jumping, we want to say vector 2.smooth. Now this thing I don't know how to do. And we want to say this target, so transform dot position. It shouldn't change, so we have the initial size. It's not even gonna be a vector 2. Can you learn a float? Yeah, you can. Math F tough learn. Okay, well I think we've thought about that too much. Now it works. Huh. Okay, I'll float A, the start value, which would just be, in this case, be the initial size. And then we want to go until... You know what? Do that. That makes more sense. Losing my mind. Cool. Change the camera size now. We want to say just so we can make it public, so we can see it in the inspector. That nice and explicit. We want to move it to 2 seconds, just for now. Should make it easy. That in there like that, and then we want to do it, oh, come on now, we want to do it for jump zoom speed. That's only if we are jumping though, so this should work once, I would think. We have compiler errors or something? Literally nothing. We do have compiler errors. Okay, why? that. Ah, one issue. Also, that's another issue that I can fix very quickly. Oh well, maybe that's not even the right code I punched in there. Also, I'm going to need to get up out of this chair momentarily. Butt's starting to hurt. Okay. Okay. I clearly misspelled something. So it also seems to be like when I put things in a namespace, it can throw me off. So that's going to be something I'm going to have to fix later. Compiler errors. Okay, well, now the problem is over here in this game manager script, it seems. Maybe that compiles. No. That's one issue. Okay, I think that should work now. Let's see if we get exactly one use out of this. Jump? No. Oh. I thought it would zoom out. Actually, that would make it go down. No? Yeah, that would make it go down. Okay, well, let's see. Let's do it without the lerp first and see what happens. Jump. Actually, let's just make it something ridiculous so we can actually see it happen. But it doesn't do anything. You know, that would have been easier just to pull that out of it than trying to comment everything else. Yeah, that's working like it's supposed to. So let's see here. Oh, by the way, if you're still there, Mary, I did try to play Visage now with this new setup you've got going on here. It's terrifying. Null reference. Not object. And 25, so right here. Oh, that's probably why it's not working. Because we need to take this and plop it right there. Cool. And then just to see what happens here. This is going to be ridiculous, if it works at all. Well, it instantly went the wrong direction. Start value, the end value, and the interpolation between the two floats. That still should have taken longer, though. So why is it 10? Oh, wait a minute. I have these backwards. Can I do this? Does it work this way in C#? I don't know if you can do this in C#. I know you can do it in Python. No, you can't do that in C#. I think. You can't do that. That's a bummer. Okay, your size. That's what we want in that sense. In this case. Wait. Wait a minute, why is my brain like going all in circles right now? This is simple, hang on. This is definitely simple. So we want to say, let's actually just put two variables in here. Okay, that should hopefully make it work. Why did I struggle with that so much? Still too fast. It's also doing it wrong. Oh, wait a minute, because I think I have these backwards now. One thing I'm not going to be afraid to do this time too is work on things off stream. It's one issue I had before. Wow! Okay. Now the question is, why is it taking so, like, why is it happening instantly? Shouldn't it be linearly interpolating? Yeah, I can't do it. Let me actually use the bathroom real quick, then I'm going to come back and I'll think about this just a little bit. Alright, be right back. Okay, I got myself a can of pepperoni pizza and a slice of Sprite Zero. And I thought about why that wasn't going to work using linear interpolation like that. It would be because my computer's a lot faster now than it used to be. So it's calculating a lot faster. Like almost instantly. So I would have needed to multiply by times that delta time. But I want to try smooth damp first and see how that's going to work out. Let me cram this slice of pizza down my throat really quickly and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, let's try it again. I might have gotten pizza on my glasses. Is it going to rain today? I kind of hope so. Okay. Well, instead of using this... Excuse me. This has got to be black and white music, right? Last time I thought it was, and it was Pokemon Stadium. Oops. Nope, it's Arceus. So we want to say that okay, we're gonna have to have two. We have to have two positions here, so let's just do what they did. We have the jump zoom and the jump speed. Let me just move these around so I can see the initial size, the jump speed, whatever. We want to start. I'm gonna clean this up. Go float. We have the time anyway. The smooth time is just the jumps and the speed. Compiler error. Imagine that. on line 29 here. I want to make sure I understand what that is. So I'll put a header there just so I can see. Alrighty, and here we want... Oh, my toe's grabbing. Oh, okay, actually. Oh, okay, so smooth time, we have that. The velocity... What are they using the velocity for? Probably not strictly necessary. But we'll say it is. I don't know, we'll come back to that. So yep, this is just not going to work again. So the current position would just this case be the initial size, and then where we want to go to would be the jump zoom size. Hey, does this have overload on it? Like, is this method overloaded? Let me do it without the... Just to see if this actually will compile. The fact that I don't have that problem thing makes it even harder. Did it again. Yeah, I guess I have to have some velocity. So let me make sure I understand it first. And in their case... Okay, so it's just where it starts. Okay, I got you. I think I understand it. But it's not being done here, so it's being done at here. So this should make it only work once. Okay, I don't actually know what the ref keyword does. I think that's to directly edit memory. But let's learn something while we're at it. Why not? Shoot. I just pushed the wrong key. Did the wrong key again. I think it's going to pass a reference to the actual location in memory, but it could be mistaken. Different context, okay. Oh, it won't edit it by memory. Okay, I got you. So it's just a reference to it. So in this case, it should not update it. Ref number. Let's write the number. Yeah, okay, so it's not updating the number itself. Okay. Good, that means I won't have to go back and check. Okay. So let's just make it 0F. Then it should theoretically work. No. Did it again! I keep knocking it off. Okay, let's see what happens. It's not actually doing what I want it to do. But I passed everything in the correct way this time. Oh, the max speed. I don't care about that. Let's go to default the time that delta time, which is what I thought would have happened with the linear interpolation. Anyways. Don't necessarily need that. I think part of the problem is that initial size there. Because with this update here, it's actually getting updated. So this should really just be this. Maybe? It doesn't change it. That's kind of awesome, though. I didn't realize that would happen. Oh, it is happening. But too slowly. Should stop when it gets to 10. Just stop at exactly 10. Any day now. Any day. Almost. Oh, just a little more. Almost there. I mean, it's just going to get getting slower as it gets there, right? Whatever. Okay, so why does it take so... Ugh. Why does it take so long? Is it because I put a huge number in there? Hmm. Should have only taken 2 seconds. Make it zoom in. I don't know, getting somewhere at least. So I think it is the velocity that's the problem. I don't really understand how, though. We have time and velocity. The 10 was too much, obviously. Maybe we'll double it and see. But I wanted to maybe 100. I really don't understand though. What is the point of having the smooth time and the velocity? I'll leave that alone then, and then we'll go over here, back to the main camera for just a second. Okay. Actually, this one, this one's easy. It should just go back to the initial size. Or lerp it back to whatever it's at right now. That was the easy one. This one. Have these backwards again. That might be one reason why that wasn't working like it was supposed to. This is the initial size, so we don't really need this here. For this one. This should have caused problems. This should not be working. And then this one's the new size here, so... Compiler errors, anybody? Ah, right there. More compiler errors, anybody? No, no compiler error. Okay. ho, 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 ho. Okay, well, we're on the right track at least. Give me just a second here. Okay, sorry. So let's just tune some of these now and see what we have. The initial size. Oh, that's definitely not good. It just zooms all the way in. Wow. It shouldn't have anything to interpolate though, no? Oh, well, the running. That's the problem, actually. After these. Thank you. Okay. We want to actually go to, let's say, 4 for running. Leave this 2 for now. Maybe 5? Maybe 3 with this. Still too slow. I don't really get it. Maybe, oops, maybe 1? Maybe not even 1. Maybe 0.5. And maybe 4? 4.5. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We'll just copy this component just in case I mess up. So I need to figure out how to deal with this turning around, being seen as idle too, though. But hey, we're getting something here. See, this is the beauty. Even though it's taken me absolutely forever to figure out how to do this, I have control over the camera. Well, theoretically, I have control over the camera because I clearly don't know what I'm doing. So let's actually make the jump speed 0.05 as well. I love this so much. So, did I actually get rid of my box cast, I wonder? Okay, well, we got something done today. That's not quite right. I think the jump might be too much. But cool, I'm excited. We got it done. You know, it only took an hour and a half, but hey. So, what else do I want to do? I think I'm going to take a quick hot break, and I'm going to come back and we're going to study some AI. Be back shortly. Okay, so let's do some work on Code Academy today. And I have to admit, I've already started this, so I know a little bit, but I'm going to reset the progress. And because I really wasn't paying attention the first time anyways, and I want to look at all of this stuff, so let's just learn together. So starting a new path, resuming path, which is really, oh, never mind. That didn't do what I thought it would do. So I reset the progress, and this is in Python, this is not C#. I guess we're going to start with Perceptron. Okay, well, whatever. I really just want to play with this tablet. That's really all I'm interested in doing. So let me actually restructure the desk a little bit here. So we're gonna be welcome to build deep learning models with TensorFlow scope. So deep it's not right either. So deep learning. Cool, I love this little pen. It's like so fluid. Alrighty. So we're looking at foundations. And then getting started with TensorFlow. Classification. And then real world. Okay, and after this path, you'll be able to identify use cases for deep learning models, implement a perceptron algorithm in Python, and pre-process data for various deep learning use cases. Build, train, and test deep learning models using TensorFlow. Tune hyperparameters to improve your models. Use regression models to draw predictions about data. Classify tabular and image data using deep learning models. Why was that hard to say? Use real-world applications of deep learning. So, what will be? That's what I think. So we'll learn how to do a bunch of stuff after this. So you'll demonstrate your knowledge in a portfolio project at the end after the path. You know what? I'm actually going to stop the stream and then restart it because I actually kind of want this to be a different thing. So give me just a second.